Now we have something called concentration. Concentration is the amount that's dissolved, and there's several ways of saying what the concentration of something is. And one of the ways that we can do concentration is something called percent. Now percent is the part over the total times 100. The percent of anything, not just chemistry, of anything, is always going to be the part over the total times 100. Times 100 is where the percent, cent like century, okay, that's a concentration percent. All right, and we have different kinds of concentrations because we can have a part over a total. We can have a mass to mass, that's where you have grams for your part and you have grams for your total. We can have a volume percent. That's where both of the parts and the totals are volumes, such as milliliters. And we can actually even have mass over volume, and that's where your part is the grams over some sort of milliliters for the solution. All right, now, one thing we have to keep in mind is that the units are going to cancel over here because grams over grams is going to cancel, milliliters over milliliters is going to cancel. This is going to be grams over milliliters. The units don't cancel. And we get around that by just saying that as far as units go, percent is the unit. There are no units other than the percent sign in calculations with concentration, with the percent concentration. Now, when we work problems in concentration, the easy part is going to be finding the part. The part is always where it says like percent sodium chloride or percent sugar. There's going to be percent attached to whatever it is that you're looking for. That's the part. What's going to trip people up a lot of times is trying to decide what the total is. And so the total is where you add everything up, but that's only if each part is actually a part. So, for instance, and I'm going to show you some examples here, if you see of so many grams of solution, see you have a number that goes with the solution. The solution is already the total. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more things. And so the parts are already in there. When you say you have so many grams of solution, that's already the total. If you have like so many grams of sodium chloride and so many grams of water, well then you have to add them up together. In other words, they're individual pieces. The solution is not water. The solution is everything that's mixed up in the solution together. So that's going to be the real difficulty of this sort of working with percent problems, is figuring out what is the total. Part's easy.